I'm not visible.
Yeah.
It might take few minutes or a few seconds because my camera is on only.
Hello.
Yeah, now am I visible?
No.
Okay, then just let me turn off my camera and then I will turn it on.
Now it's okay.
Now it's visible, right?
Yeah.
So how are you, Minu?
I'm good, but my earphone is not working.
Your phone is not working.
Okay, just a sec. Hello. Now it's okay.
Yeah, now it's fine. Like now you have no issues, right? Now your phone is okay now? Or
Yeah. Just a sec.
yeah, take your time.
Hello.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah, now it's fine.
All
Hi,
right.
how are
So
you?
how are you?
I'm good,
Same
and
thing
what
at the
about
same
you?
time.
Okay.
Yeah, I am also fine. And good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, a very good morning.
All right. So at what time did you wake up today?
Huh? 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. I
It's
usually,
a
yeah.
I woke up at 8 o'clock or 8:30 something.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So
I
during the
think you
topic,
work at night also,
you
like you're taking sessions at night also. Like,
no, not about sessions. So yeah, sometimes yesterday I had a session at night also. It's
mm.
fine, you know.
So
So
you,
actually,
at what time you, at time you go to bed? At what time you go to like sleep
it's
usually?
it's not fixed, sometime it will be at 1 o'clock, sometime it will be at 12 o'clock, sometime one
Oh,
thirty. It's not a fixed time. What about you? I think even your time is not also fixed.
yeah,
Or it is
most
fixed.
probably 12 o'clock. Yeah. Sometimes I like to watch videos related to English speaking. Yeah. So yeah, keep watching
Mm.
because whole day, my day spent in working. I couldn't get time. So yeah, that time at night I do this kind of thing, watching videos.
Yeah, right. So doing the topic for the day.
Yeah, for college life. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
So
a
would you like
very
to talk about
good
this
topic.
topic only, or you have something else you want to talk about?
No, it's a okay. Yeah, college life is. Yeah. So
College. Yes.
these days were best days of our life, like my life. Yeah, I did my
Mhm.
schooling from Sophia Hindi medium. Yeah, that is also good. Yeah, that time I was very innocent kind of a girl, and yeah, but I had some friends. Yeah, and after that I went into girls' college. Yeah, they only girls 9 to 12. Yeah, and it's known as a JBS Girls in Saharanpur. A very good college, and we did very musty. There is a very there is a very big gang of us, and we do musty always. And I took suicide because I wanted to become a doctor. Yeah, that is why. And there was so much studies. That time I used to go tuitions also, like physics, chemistry, different tuitions. So my whole day spent in my studies. And
Mhm.
my favorite teacher was that time Nalini Miss. She was chemistry teacher, and she was my favorite teacher. Not was she is till now. I think yeah, she was my favorite teacher. And one of my teacher, bio teacher, we used to say Sleeping Beauty because always she looks like a yeah, sleepy.
History.
So yeah,
Yeah, history is, it's, I think it's very boring. So you have to remember
yeah,
dates, names, and all, right? So your favorite teacher was chemistry, ma'am. So I think your
yeah,
favorite subject was also chemistry only.
yeah, chemistry,
Yeah,
yeah, partly favorite.
right, right. You know, it's a very
And
common
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Tell me. No, tell
One
me.
of Madhuri ma'am also my favorite. In 9th, 10th, he used to teach us Hindi. She was very good. She teaches us very well. So I got interested in Hindi also due to her. Otherwise, I didn't get any interest in Hindi, but due to her, I got interest in Hindi also.
So how many subjects were there uh,
In
in your time?
ninth, yeah, in ninth now there are so many like Hindi, English, math, and
Yeah,
science, and yeah, geography also.
I'm
I
done,
don't
right?
like. I didn't like geography.
Okay, okay, okay. You know, Vikas came in between and then he left.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
And
Yeah.
in
You continue,
after
continue. Yeah, you
12th, na,
please.
after the 10th, geography, yeah, was not there. Only like botany, zoology, chemistry, and English. Yeah, yeah, no math. Yeah, because I was from Hindi medium, na. So in CBSE board it's different, and Hindi medium was different.
So, pardon, you were not from CBSE board?
No, no, no. I'm from Hindi. Yes, Chaudhary Charan Singh University. CCS. Yeah.
Oh, fine, I got it, I got it. So, you know what? You said that you were in a girls' hostel or something like that.
Girls
So,
college,
I
girls college.
understand. Yeah, it was a girls' college. So, I don't understand this fact. Even for boys also, they go for boys' college. So, what is the
Yeah,
main reason so that you can be like, you should not get distracted by boys, or what is the main funda? What was
I have
your
no
reason?
idea at that time. I have no idea at that time. There is a differentiation like girls college different and boys college different. Yeah, but after 12th we got in the same college like college. They are like in BSc. All were in the same college.
Mhm.
And
Yeah,
eighth
yeah.
I did like co-ed education.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I was saying that now suppose your favorite teacher was chemistry ma'am or whatever or whoever. So yeah, same thing applies for me also. Like my favorite teacher was Abhishek sir. All right.
Okay.
So and he used to teach me physics. That's why
Okay.
physics is my favorite subject. So I think it happens with everyone, right?
Then you got interest in that subject also because yeah,
Hmm. And when the teacher is very boring, then that subject would
yeah,
then subject will automatically become boring.
yeah. It happened with me like geography teacher. I don't, yeah, it's I don't didn't like her very much. Yeah, so I feel bored. I used to that time sleepy, and yeah, I didn't get interest in geography. Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
ma'am name
Yeah.
I couldn't recall her name. Yeah, it is very difficult to
Mm-hmm.
recall her name.
Yeah. All right. So, do you miss your college life?
Yeah, very much, very much because I did very musty. My father gave me kinetic at when I was in 10th. So I do musty. I did musty with my friends, tripling and driving very fast, going with
Mhm.
friends, going tuitions. Yeah. So that was my yeah good time. That was my good.
Yeah. So, you might have wondered sometime that nowadays the kids they have a lot of facilities, and you like you never used to have those things like smartphones and all access to
Yeah.
a lot of teachers. Like now, we have YouTube. Now, suppose if you're not understanding from one teacher, so you can just switch your teacher from one teacher to another teacher. But at that time, maybe 15, 20 years or after or before 5, 8 years.
I think 30 years ago. Yeah. Maybe
30 years ago.
happened.
Okay, so
Yeah,
30
20
years
years
ago,
ago.
you didn't
20 years
have all
ago.
those things. So do you feel somehow jealous that nowadays kids have all
No,
these
no,
things and
no. Because that time, yeah, different era, and every
mm,
era has its own good things. Yeah, so that was the good thing.
mhm. Right,
But
right,
yeah,
right.
that
I
time
also
we could not find. We are not able to find out our goal easily. Like I wanted to become a doctor, so yeah, I have no idea what kind of how to prepare for that. Which one is best university to go coaching? Yeah, so We have to find out ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, yes, there wasn't any proper. There might be no any proper guidance that how
Yeah.
to become a doctor. You have to give this
Yeah.
exam. You have to prepare like this. There should be the strategies and all. So yeah, that was a thing.
Yeah.
All
That
right.
time lack of guidance was, yeah, lack of guidance. Yeah, you get the information from your friends, your relatives. Yeah, and someone told me, yeah, that line is good, so you go there. Yeah,
All
but now
right.
kids become smarter. They can get information from YouTube, Google. It is easier.
Mm, yes. I also agree with you on this. So you also had some family members which were from doctor, like who were doctors. So that is why you got inspired by them, and
No,
then you
no,
wanted
no.
to become one. It was just
In
your
my
wish.
family, there is no doctor. No, far and far, there is no doctor family. But it was
There were,
my
or there
childhood
are.
dream. When I was too young, na, that time I used to think that I one day I will become a doctor. One day I become a
Uh,
doctor, but I could not pursue my dream. Yeah,
NEET.
and
I think you said NEET exam.
I CPMT that time CPMT for that medical line. Yeah. So
Right.
yeah I gave
So
that
what?
exam and put in that yeah.
Yeah.
And then after 10th 12th I did BSc. First I gave my father admitted me in Yamuna Nagar Girls College, and that time their atmosphere was different, and I felt bored out there. So I came back, and then my father admitted me in
Mhm.
a local college. Yeah, my father always very like optimistic kind of he wanted he their children do something different, become some different. Yeah, and after graduation, he sent me Delhi for doing fashion designing in clothing
Mhm.
technology. But that was not my criteria. I was not good in designing, but I took it was my big mistake.
You were not good at.
Designing and creativity.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and fashion designing needs no creativity and all.
Mhm. Yeah, when you're doing something which you don't like, it doesn't make any sense, right? You
Yeah,
should do whatever you like. But
so
anyhow,
I
we will
always
learn.
regret for that. Ki I should for a medical line like any like homeopathy, physiotherapy. There are so many lines, but yeah, that time lack of guidance, na. You can thinking yeah, B pharma also was there. So yeah,
Yeah. And you know what? Just tell me if you like if you agree to this or not. During a college life or during a school life, now we as a students or we as a parents, we always used to think about marks. That if you're scoring good marks,
yeah,
then you are a good student. But after few years, now you get into a job. But that time it depends upon your salary, how much you're earning. If you're like that time, no one will ask you about marks. So I think it
yeah,
keeps on changing. Do
yeah.
you
You
also
should
think?
learn some new skills that will be good for you, like yeah, confidence skills, not marks. Yeah, sometimes the children who are getting the bad marks, but they are now confident. They are getting good salary rather than the best one. It's yeah.
Yeah, right. So, like in short, when you grow up, salary is the only thing which matters, not the degree, not the
Yeah,
academic thoughts, right?
these are only like papers, like because some people are not so much educated, but they are doing very well, and they are getting like Vikas is also like he's only in BTech second year, and he made a huge platform for everyone. Yeah, it's up to our mindset, na. It depends on our mindset, not degrees. I think
Yeah.
you
Oh,
should have such a
Vikas.
Vikas Gupta, yeah, founder of
Yes.
English
Okay.
Channel.
Vikas, good.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Harry, he's an
Genius
engineer,
guy.
engineer.
He's a genius guy. Otherwise, some people have so much degrees related to computers. Some, yeah,
Yes,
but they
yes.
are doing nothing, and he's in only second year, I think, and he's doing good job. So yeah, so it depends on your
Yeah, he's
mindset
very
also,
talented.
not degrees. Yeah,
Mhm.
and he's also
Mhm.
studying and giving a platform for learners also. Yeah, that is a good thing.
Right. And yeah, he's very hardworking. He's managing all the things, taking
Yeah.
sessions, that, and like everything he's only doing,
Yeah,
like
he's managing
80%
all
of
the
the
thing.
work.
He's managing all the things, and yeah, and
Yeah.
like he opened the doorway for you people also. Like you are earning and we are learning. Yeah, so both are doing on the same platform. Some people are
Mhm.
earning and some people are learning. Yeah, that is the best. But yeah, nowadays, not college, school studies. Yeah, if you have some skills, so you can do anything.
Yeah. Right. All right. So, what do you think? Now it's more difficult to become a doctor, or earlier it was more difficult to become a doctor, or is the same ratio, or the competition has increased now? So, what are your thoughts on this?
I think in past it was difficult because we have a lack of we had lack of guidance that time. But nowadays, if someone want to do something, so he has a main he can choose his line very easily, uh,
Mhm.
taking guideline from the YouTube, Google. Yeah, it is easier, and he can learn from home also, like getting YouTube classes. And that time we had to go coaching outside. If in our village, in our city, there is no coaching, so we had to go outside, like getting classes in Meerut, Delhi. But now it's
Right,
easier to do
right.
anything.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So now, though, the thing is now everyone wants a government job because everyone wants security in their life.
Yeah.
You know,
In government
there
job, it
are,
is a job security, and there is a time limitation also. Like, and in private sector, you have to work hard and have to given more time rather than government job. Yeah. And there are,
uh,
I think, more holidays also rather than private sector.
in government now.
Yeah.
Yeah, in government we have a lot of
Like
holidays.
in government school, you get a smart salary rather than private school. And in private school, teacher had to have to do lot of work rather than government school teacher, I think.
Yes. Yeah, I also think so, But yeah, that's the thing. In government teachers now they don't teach up to the mark. But
Yeah.
in private teachers, they will teach very well, but their salary or their wages is low. That's the thing. Yeah. All right. Anyhow, how does it matter? So, like, you also wanted to be a teacher?
Uh, I never wanted to become a teacher because I don't like this yeah, line. But now I think yeah, if I did that time BA, so I maybe become a teacher because I wanted to do something in my life after marriage. And in my town, there is no scope to do anything. I started cooking classes also, but I dropped that idea due to my kids. That time my kids was very small. Now I'm learning English, so I always want to something new things. Yeah. But I regret, yeah, when I had a plenty of time. That time I didn't use that time, and now I want to do something, and I have no time. Yeah, I have to manage all the things. Like I am taking classes, so it's very difficult to manage all the things. You have seen, yeah, earlier also, no? My kids
Yes.
came in between, yeah.
Yeah,
So yeah, it
and
happens.
he
It
just
happens
passed
with
12th,
me
I think,
always.
right? And now he's in college first year.
Yeah.
So, what did he take? He take what? Like, he was from science or commerce or from arts background.
Commerce stream. He is from commerce stream, so now he's choosing BCA, and his father planning to get admission in Meerut in
Right.
this college.
So, will he
In
be
my
able to live
yeah,
alone?
no, there is a conveyance facility because it's a 1 hour far from our town. In our town,
Or,
there is no facility any good college. It's a very small town.
Mhm.
That is why.
Yeah,
But
right.
Delhi is also near, and Sonipat is also near, and Meerut is also near from my town. So we can go there also.
Mhm. Yes. All right. So with this, I have come to an end to the session, and I'm done with my questions for the day, and I'm done with the topic.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Because
I
we
want
are
to ask one thing. How was your college life? How was your college life? Like you are
my college.
also, you are in college life. You are doing graduation, huh? Yeah, you are completed.
I'm in my last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
So
due to
college life.
pandemic, Due to
Mm-hmm.
pandemic, college life, like, yeah, become worse. Like, yeah, you are not enjoying your college life. Yeah, people who just entered in the college and they had a dream, like, yeah, we will do this thing. Yeah, they are not able to do this kind of thing.
Right, 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 right. In college life, you will have a lot of freedoms with you. And in my case, now I don't know because it's all online. So I don't have a
So,
lot of much experience about college life. Just online classes. What I heard is that college life is full of musties and you will enjoy a lot. Let's see when this
but
pandemic will end.
yeah, but in Bollywood movies, it shows very highlighted. But in like college life, there is so much fun like that. Yeah, in some colleges
Mm.
it may happen, but not in all colleges it happens. Yeah, like I did
Yeah.
my fashion and from Delhi, and that time that atmosphere was very different. Yeah, because I am from small town and went to
Mm.
a metropolitan city, so I face so many problems due to that. Yeah,
Yes, yes. Right, right. In some colleges, what the thing is now, they will be very strict and some will be very lenient. Like
yeah,
long hair, long hairs are not allowed,
yeah.
and you don't have to keep beard. Yeah, I have to be clean shaven. Some rules and
Yeah,
regulations
in
are
my
there.
times, like Sanju Baba hairstyle was on very trend. So guys do like long hairs, use wear baggy pants, baggy like that time. The Fool or Karte movie came. Yeah, Ajay Devgan was very popular that time. So and
Yes,
And yeah, and Sanju Baba is also Sanjay Dutt also. So guys used to
yes,
uh, yeah, yeah, their
yes,
trend, like,
right.
yeah, the influenced by these people.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they are influencers, so obviously they will influence us. The hairstyle and even this not Tismar Khan, this Tere Naam, that Salman Khan
Yeah,
in
the
which
haircut like that, yeah, also was really
it
very
was
trend.
so
Yeah,
viral, right?
yeah,
It went so viral.
yeah, that was
Even
it happened.
I also used to do that. So yeah, it was
When the
amazing.
movie came, Hum Aapke Kaun, so like I like we used to wear that kind of a socks like Madhuri Dixit and lehenga,
Hmm.
white and pink. Yeah, that time my cousin
I
sister was
still
happened.
remember
Yeah,
I still remember her blue sari,
yeah,
in which
yeah, yeah.
Lilo and that song
Didi
was
Tera
there.
Deva Divana, like that sari was
Right,
in very trend.
right,
Yeah, that time.
right.
Yeah, yeah, that
Yeah,
is. Girls used
yeah.
to wear that sari very much, yeah, that time, yeah. And used to dance on that song. So
Yes,
people
yes.
influenced by movies very much and they follow the trend of the movies.
Nowadays it's all cringe. Nowadays
Yeah.
though we don't have that much amount of things to do. All right, so now we have come to end of this session because I
Yeah. Yeah, you have to take different another session also, no? I think so.
yeah, yeah. All right. So you have any more questions or no?
I want to ask you, uh, felt any improvement in my
Obviously,
conversation?
obviously, yes. Obviously, yes. Because earlier you used to, I mean, you were not so open. Like you always used to hesitate. Sometimes, not every time, but now I think now you're improving. Now you're not taking pauses. Now you're speaking in a flow, right? So now you're
And
no more a beginner. Now you're no,
where should I
now you're,
work?
you're much
Like
more than
you are
intermediate.
thinking,
Huh?
yeah, I am making sentence very well. Yeah, I should practice more.
Yeah,
Should I?
yeah, yeah. There was this little mistake with they. Now you will never use is because they is
Okay.
plural and is singular.
They are okay.
They are, they
Yeah,
were, yes.
yeah. Then
See
yeah.
already. Yeah. So
Okay.
that was about the feedback.
Okay.
Right.
Nice. Okay. Have a good day.
Yeah. So bye
Bye.
bye and take care. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.